Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Aria Lifestyle and you are watching Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays, as it suggests, happens every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Central Time. And it's pretty much an open collaboration. So if you're dressing your table, say for the spring, and you would like to be on Tablescape Tuesdays, all you need to do is to add the hashtag to your video, Tablescape, hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 23. Okay, and you will be featured within the playlist of all the other wonderful creative creators here on YouTube. So, if this is your first time to the Aria Lifestyle, welcome to my channel. And if you are a regular subscriber, welcome back. So, here on the Aria Lifestyle, I do home decor, cooking videos, fitness, fashion, beauty, anything that's within Aria's lifestyle. So I hope you like the content here and will consider becoming a subscriber and a part of the Aria Lifestyle family. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Tablescape Tuesdays. What is my table this week? As you can see from behind, I am giving you a little tease. It's supposed to be the theme of the seaside. So just think about the coast, guys, and this is your table. Let's get into it. Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and Amethyst Adventures. Go over to their channels, check out their tables and the others in this playlist, guys, and show them some love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to these channels. This week, I'm using my Barely There Sea Moss Green, and I am going to also, and the sea moss green is a bathroom curtain, and the runner is a regular curtain. Okay, so we're at the far end of the table and I'm just showing you the pieces that I'm using for the table setting. And as you can see, it's just light and bright by the ocean. Just think about a vacation spot near the sea where you're gonna have all your meals facing the ocean, light and airy and chill. If you notice the colors I'm using, it's all colors of the horizon of the sea going into the sky, nice and bright and sunny. As you can see, I'm using a white charger that has perforations and texture on there from the Dollar General, and the next one is from Hobby Lobby. And I'm using the two chargers because of their varying shapes, and it gives it dimension even before the plate, the dinnerware comes in. And then here's my cream napkin, and it's going to be followed by a clear plate that is going to be tying our place settings with our centerpiece. Here it goes, a little black and white, very thin stripes, barely there black. And then of course my cute Goodwill find with those gold browns, bronzy colors, and I'm using silver finished silverware. Now I'm going in with some grass. It's not pampas grass like the type that we're used to. It's a different kind of grass, almost like ears of corn, but it's really soft and light, and the color is beautifully cream. And if you notice, that's the predominant color on this tablescape: the creams, whites, lights, clears. See, I'm using a Goodwill find here, a regular glass that I filled with seashells. Tell me now, guys, if we're not by the ocean. With these seashells, that's exactly what we need to pull in the feel of the ocean, the experience of being on vacation at that vacation seaside beach house. That's the feel I want. I want us to just get away, feel as if we're on vacation, feel as if we're not thinking about the worries and stresses of every day in this tablescape. Horizon. I'm from the Caribbean, so I understand the feeling and the worth of being away by the ocean. And that's what I want us to experience in this table, guys. Okay, guys, so as I said, that very round vase is a Goodwill find, and I got both of them. And then that small vase with the shape, that one, I think I got it from the Dollar Tree as well. I don't quite remember. And I'm using those tiny canisters that I filled with shells as well. So the shell is supposed to represent the seaside, the ocean, the sandy beaches, and the color of the creams supposed to bring in the sand, the color of the sand. And then when you see the centerpiece, you're going to realize that the whole seascape horizon is what this tablescape is about. It's not only looking creamy and light and airy, but it's supposed to take you to the coast. It's supposed to take you to the coastline, the seaside, the beach, guys. Just get away on vacation with this table. Of course, I'm using my cream napkin, and I'm going to put it across the center, preparing for the entrance of the centerpiece. The centerpiece, guys, was the inspiration for this table. And when you see it, you will understand how. I'm going to go ahead and put some drinking glasses at each place setting, and I'm going to put water in the glasses just to add to the mood of this table. The refreshing drinks, the hydration that occurs when you're in the sunny weather, the tropical weather. You drink a lot of cold ice water, and I want that to also be on the table to pull into the experience of being away on vacation. And here's the big deal. Here's the inspiration. Here's the Goodwill find that inspired this entire seascape table. Look at the hues, the colors of the horizon, the seascape, guys. Look at the seascape. It's like there is an umber of blues going up into lights, going up into the color of the clouds, into the sky, up into the horizon, guys, the seascape. Thanks for staying with me towards the end of this video, guys. It was beautiful having you along while I dressed this table. As you can see, It is my Seascape Tablescape, or it's my Seascape. It's my Seaside Table, whatever you want to call it. It was inspired by the coast, and it was inspired by this beautiful vase behind me that has this nice fusion of colors like the ocean. It's like an umber of blues going into the clears. So for my minimalist style, this was a lovely table to put together for me. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos on a Tuesday and on a Friday, you will be notified. Love you guys. Peace out. Let's get ready for the reveal of my Seascape table.